sometimes I feel like, what is going on? Is this what I came here to do? But then again, I enjoy it. It's going great. And I'm looking forward to more. Miss Cuckoo, she has a lot up her sleeve. I don't know. She wants to frustrate us by all means. But at the end of the day, we end up enjoying what she aims frustrating us at. So it's going great. I'm loving it. And I'm looking forward to more.
I'm looking forward to feeling like I've accomplished something. I'm really looking forward to hearing everybody's learning journey through this. I'm certainly liking mine. It's a nice refresher for me. It's certainly interesting when it comes to looking at my emotions and in a different way of working and working to my own needs. So I'm looking forward to that and discovering.
We started this workshop yesterday and it was such a wonderful experience. First of all, I was thinking that as an adult, how am I supposed to sit through such long training? But to be very honest, I felt that time just flew by and I, do not want this to end, the discussions, the experiences. And Miss Kubo, I'm sure, is an amazing teacher, facilitator. And like every minute, I'm getting to learn something new. And I'm having a wonderful and rich experience with my peers.